What if time travel is not just a fantasy? What if it could be possible to step beyond the confines of our linear existence and explore the unfathomable depths of time itself? Welcome to What If It's All a Game, where we delve into life's mysteries and challenge our understanding of reality. Today, we're embarking on a thought-provoking journey to explore the tantalizing question: is time travel truly possible? And how might bending the rules of our perceived reality unlock this profound concept? Throughout this video, we will investigate the theories that surround time travel, including the scientific, philosophical, and even metaphysical perspectives. We will unpack the complexities of time as a construct, the implications of alternate realities, and the paradoxes that challenge our understanding of existence. But before we dive in, consider this. If time travel were possible, what ethical dilemmas would arise? What would it mean for our lives, our choices, and our understanding of history? Time, as we know it, is often thought of as a straight line, past, present, and future. Yet philosophers and scientists alike have proposed that time may not be as straightforward as it seems. Let's start by defining time itself. Historically, time has been described as a measure of change or a sequence of events. In physics, particularly in Einstein's theory of relativity, time can shift based on speed and gravity. This suggests that time is not a constant. It can warp and bend under certain conditions. Einstein famously introduced the idea that time is intertwined with space, forming what we call spacetime. When we think about traveling through time, this concept becomes crucial. If spacetime is malleable, could we manipulate it to our advantage? Theoretical physicists have suggested various methods of time travel, from wormholes to cosmic strings. A wormhole, for instance, is a hypothetical tunnel through spacetime that could connect distant points, potentially allowing a traveler to leap through time. Imagine for a moment that you could step into a wormhole and emerge in the past or the future. What would you witness? Would you be able to change the course of history? The implications are staggering. However, this is where we encounter what is known as the grandfather paradox. If you were to travel back in time and alter a significant event, say preventing your grandparents from meeting, would you still exist? This paradox raises profound questions about causality and the nature of reality itself. Another intriguing concept is the idea of alternate timelines. What if every decision creates a fork in the road, leading to a new timeline? In this scenario, time travel might not mean changing our original timeline, but rather stepping into a parallel universe where different outcomes have unfolded. Consider the implications of this. If you could travel back in time and choose differently, you wouldn't erase your original self. Instead, you'd create another version of reality altogether. Philosophers have debated the nature of time for centuries. Plato viewed time as a reflection of the eternal world of forms, while Aristotle defined it as the measure of change concerning the before and after. Fast forward to the 20th century, and we find thinkers like Henry Bergson, who argued that time is experienced subjectively, emphasizing the qualitative nature of our temporal experience. This subjective experience complicates our understanding of time travel. If our perception of time can vary, does that mean our ability to traverse it could also be more flexible than we imagine? As we explore the scientific foundations, we must also consider the role of consciousness. What if our minds play a pivotal role in shaping our experience of time? Some theories in quantum physics suggest that consciousness itself could influence the fabric of reality. Could it be that our thoughts and intentions are intertwined with the possibility of time travel? Imagine a world where our consciousness could transcend time. We often hear stories of déjà vu, moments when we feel we've experienced something before. Could these sensations be glimpses into alternate timelines or past lives? What if they are fragments of memories from a future we have yet to explore? Moreover, the concept of time travel invites us to confront the ethical ramifications of our actions. If we had the power to change past events, would we try to erase our mistakes, or would we allow history to unfold as it was meant to? This moral dilemma could lead to unforeseen consequences. Consider the ramifications of altering pivotal moments in history. If someone were to prevent wars, famine, or suffering, would that lead to a better world, or would it create a cascade of unintended consequences? Our understanding of ethics would need to evolve alongside our understanding of time travel. Now let's bring some real-world science into the conversation. Physicists like Kip Thorne have theorized about the feasibility of time travel through the manipulation of black holes and the creation of traversable wormholes. While these concepts remain in the realm of theoretical physics, they challenge our understanding of what is possible. As technology advances, who's to say that we won't one day uncover the secrets of time travel? However, it's essential to recognize the limitations of our current understanding. Many scientists argue that time travel, as we envision it, may be fundamentally impossible due to the constraints imposed by the laws of physics. For instance, the energy required to manipulate spacetime on such a grand scale may be beyond our reach. Moreover, the potential paradoxes and ethical dilemmas serve as cautionary tales, reminding us that even if time travel were possible, it may not be wise. As we navigate these complex ideas, we must also entertain the notion that perhaps time travel is not about physical movement through time, but rather a mental or spiritual journey. Could it be that by reflecting on our past and envisioning our future, we are engaging in a form of time travel? This introspective approach could hold the key to understanding our place in the universe. To wrap up our exploration of time travel, let's reflect on the deeper implications of our findings. If we accept that time may not be a linear construct, what does this mean for our lives? How do we perceive our choices, our memories, and our futures? As we ponder these questions, consider this. If time is indeed a flexible and intricate tapestry, what threads are we weaving into our own narratives? How do our choices today shape the realities of tomorrow? And so, we leave you with these lingering questions. If reality is more fluid than we can comprehend, what does it mean to exist within it? How do we navigate the possibilities and uncertainties of time? If you found this exploration of time travel intriguing and wish to continue delving into these profound questions, I invite you to join us on this intellectual adventure. Subscribe to What If It's All a Game to stay engaged with our ongoing exploration of reality, consciousness, and existence itself. Which idea sparked your curiosity the most? Did you find yourself resonating with the idea of alternate timelines or the ethical implications of time travel? Share your thoughts and theories in the comments below and engage with fellow seekers of knowledge. If you value these discussions, don't hesitate to share this video with friends who enjoy questioning the nature of reality. Finally, remember that some of the most intriguing answers often lie behind the most challenging questions. Keep questioning, keep exploring, and we'll see you on our next mind-expanding journey.